Josie, can you use the fork to get your food? What are you eating? Peanut butter and apple jam? Uh-oh. Where'd your fork go? Where'd your fork go? Say, uh-oh. Let me get it for you. Good girl. No, we gotta clean it. It hit the floor. Oh, you got the whole Tupperware. Wow. Good girl. Good girl. You want Mommy to get... Oh, Josie. There goes your sandwich. There goes your snack. You want some more milk? Want your milk? No? Water? Water. Good girl. Yeah, do you like your new water bottle? You like that? Look, there's one more piece of sandwich. Do you want Mommy to get it for you? Yummy, yummy, yummy. Yummy, yummy, yummy. You okay? Want that? No? Oops, where'd it go? Oh, there you go. You got it. You gonna keep it or are you gonna throw it away? Wanna give it back to Mommy? Aw, we missed. No more. That's what you missed out on. That was a good one too. It had lots of peanut butter on it. Is that your water? Is that your water? No more? No more water? Mommy could take it. Oh, good girl. You want me? Oops, you want Mommy to take it? Do you want your milk? No, thank you. You want your milk? No, thank you. Say no, thank you. Can you say hi? Who's here? Can you say hi, Grammy? Say hi. But say hi, Nona. You can say hi. Do you want everyone to see how beautiful you look today? All done. Whoa. Whoa. That was a good throw. That was a good throw. You want to get out? Show everyone how pretty you look today. Oh, look at you. Say hi, everyone. Okay. Oh, should we clean your hands and your face? Let's do that. Come here. Come here. Oh, let's see if we can get over here. I don't know if they could see you. Let's get your hands. Let me get this hand. Oh, that's a good stuff. That's a good stuff. Oh. Okay. Dada's upstairs. Dada's upstairs. Say, are we waiting for Dada? Are we waiting for Dada? Say Dada. Okay, say bye-bye to everyone. We're going to the farmer's market. Say bye-bye. Josie, you want to say bye-bye? Okay, bye everyone.